Hello and welcome. If your iPhone isn't ringing on incoming calls, here are some troubleshooting steps which may well help. First off, go to the Control Center. Make sure Do Not Disturb is turned off. That's this icon here with the crescent moon. Next we'll go back to the home screen. Sometimes the phone won't ring if the ringer volume is too low. Let's check that. Use the up volume button at the side, and at the top of the screen you'll notice the ringer level goes up. This often fixes the issue. You may also notice a red bell beside the ringer. This means the phone is in silent mode. To get out of this, turn the phone to the side. You'll notice the switch with the red here, just slide it up. Now when you turn the volume up or down, you'll notice the bell is grey, and when you receive a call, it will ring. So hopefully one of those has fixed your issue. If it has, please let me know in the comments, I really appreciate it. Thank you for choosing my video. If you haven't already, subscribe to Team AG. We have lots of useful videos for you. Please stay safe and have a great day.